monster. We're in Ventura, California, and we're about to go into girlfriend stuff. What is that? Nerf guns. Oh wait, look at this. What is this? I did it! Hello, woodland friends! Let's set you free! Freedom! Freedom! What are you doing? Yeah! Uh-oh! What is this? So many shiny colors! Wow! And what is this?
Baby monsters always on the go. What did you?
And this is how you get tokens. You put the money in there, and then it comes out a token. All right, let's go play again.
Yeah.
What video game is this?
It's the
Transformers?
Yeah.
Wow! Kung Fu. Panda, how do you do this one? Whoa! 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 What is this? Whoa! Ow! Wow! How are you doing this? Alright, I'm gonna get on one too. Here we go! Whoa! This is out of control! Whoa, this is out of control! Whoa, look, it's virtual reality! Let me see. Hey, everything's virtual! I can't get out! Help me! I'm stuck in this virtual reality! Man, virtual reality is scary! No thank you!
Let's do it.
I'm stuck in the virtual reality river! I'm stuck in the virtual reality, I can't get out! Help me! Virtual reality's not for me.
I can see stuff.
Whoa, the Simpsons! Cool, man! Don't eat my shorts, dude! Oh, and this is a Big Lebowski game. There's bowling. How do you play this?
I don't know.
I like this game.
Whoa!
Whoa! That's amazing! You're shooting at things with a... what is that?
A ticket!
Yeah!
Yeah! We got a ticket!
Yeah! Oh, it's going again! Hurry! Yeah! Wow! Okay, my turn to spin the wheel. Whoa! That was not successful spinning. Whoa! Star Wars pinball, Guardians of the Galaxy pinball, and Lord of the Rings.
Look!
Yeah!
I got this!
What, you got a ticket?
Yeah!
Wow!
Put it in your mouth and
Whoa, let's go fishing. Ready?
yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah! I'm not great at fishing. Whoa! Are you Batman?
Yeah.
What is this thing?
Batman thing!
Whoa!
Right?
To the Batcave!
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go! monster. Let me just check this hole out. Oh, it looks pretty good. Ow! What in the world? Pirate ship? Oh, matey. What is this? Wow, it's like a castle for me. I think I'm gonna live in here. Oh, it's dark in here. Get me out of here. Oh, matey, we found another pirate ship. He's ready to jump in the ship and be a pirate. Uh-oh. Whoa! Look at that castle. I want to live in it. Whoa! Well, hello there.
Look at his movies.
Did you know I was a pirate too?
Look at this.